Middle Eastern chicken, guys. Okay, we're gonna try.
Give me a piece with it. Try to use touch.
Yeah, we have this, guys. This is Sprouts in Dublin, and apparently there's like five branches. And we have, look at the veggies in here. This is so nice. Look at, yes, and we have what do you call this thing again?
Middle Eastern chicken.
Ah, yes, Middle Eastern chicken, guys. Oh, look at that. It's so nice. Yes, thank you. We're gonna have that. Yes. We are walking in the streets of Dublin. We have our food. We have more food over there, actually, but before going there, we're going to get some water and some stuff from Centra. Look at that. Get some water here and some stuff, as I said, for tonight and for tomorrow, of course, for tomorrow as well.
I was thinking
Yeah, some stuff is different, huh? How does it work, I wonder? Do we just sit down or? Yeah, oh. This is sweet o'clock. We're gonna try this cafe. Seems like it's a Turkish shop. We'll try this, guys. This one here, he wants to try this.
inside the pistachio.
Pistachio, yeah.
Yeah.
One pistachio, this one, yeah?
But this is different. One portion is just one piece.
Oh yeah, that's okay, yeah. And Dara, come here, what do you want?
Chocolate milkshake.
Where? Chocolate milkshake?
This is here.
Oh, this? Okay, he wants to try milkshake.
Do you want this one? This?
One this.
One this, okay.
And then milkshake for you.
chocolate.
Chocolate milkshake and can for Kian. Kian, what do you want?
Take away or here?
For here, I'd say,
Okay.
please. We're gonna try, what do you want? Ice cream. Ice cream.
Sorry about that. It's
Okay.
done.
Chocolate.
Chocolate,
Almond.
almond, and Nesquik is Oreo.
Yes.
And Turkish delight is vanilla.
All right. Maybe I'll go with this.
Okay, one portion inside the 4 pieces.
4 pieces, one.
Yeah,
Oh.
one portion inside 4 pieces.
Yeah. Okay.
It's, I need a cut.
You need to cut. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one?
This maybe.
This one.
One portion.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll try this as well. One portion.
Do you want one portion or just one?
Oh, just one. How much is one?
If you want,
We'll just try that.
you wanna try?
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, we're gonna try. Maybe we'll try one just for the kid, you know, small
Just
one.
one?
Just one, yeah, for him. But
And
yeah,
this
this
one portion.
you one portion, yeah. Kian,
And that's all?
hey, tell me what you want. There's no ice cream, no? There's no ice cream. He wants ice cream. Anyway,
No, his ice cream is done.
yeah, finished. Okay, this is something. It's like a pistachio thing, guys. That's something different. That's for Ato. And this one is like a sushi, but it's not a sushi. It's like they're sweets, yeah.
Yeah, chocolate sushi.
Chocolate sweets, something like I don't know what's that, but anyway, sweets. Okay, and try this. I want to try this as well. Give me a push, kind of a something small. Yeah, Kian is waiting for the Nutella, but maybe they do like a different type of crepe. So crepe. Oh, this is shirt. What? Milkshake. Okay. Oh, careful. 1 second. Careful now. Hi, what made you choose that? Because of what?
I just wanted to try it because I've never had something like this before.
Yeah, it's actually nice to get something different, right? And Dara, what made you choose that?
I don't know. I just like chocolate and I like milkshake. Chocolate
Really?
milkshake is
Ah,
tasty.
yes, of course. And this one's for me, really. I chose this. It looks like different as well. So I haven't tried this. Anyway, it's nutty by the looks of it, nutty and chocolatey. So we will see how it tastes like. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's nice, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
I wonder what's
Oh,
the holder?
there's a little bit
You don't.
of
Spoon and fork.
yes.
Right here.
So what made you choose that? What is it, by the way?
Crepe with
Crepe.
Nutella.
Yeah. What made you choose crepe then?
My brain.
What? Okay, anyway, hopefully it's tasty. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Dig in, guys. Shall we? Bismillah. smoke.
Obrigado a
Yine değişmedi için aldım. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hehehe